After juicing a lot of ginger and garlic for my diabetes remedy, I ended up with a huge pile of leftover pulp. I didn't want to just throw it away, so I decided to turn it into a natural spray for my plants. It's super easy, doesn't cost anything, and it's a great way to use every bit of what I've got. First, I grabbed a clean bottle and filled it with warm water. Not too hot, because that can destroy the good stuff still left in the ginger and garlic pulp. Then I added all the leftover pulp into the bottle. I closed the lid tightly and shook it really well, making sure the water mixed with the remains as much as possible. Shaking it helps release all the compounds from the ginger and garlic into the water. And that's exactly what I want. Once it was shaken up, I just left it to sit for 24 hours at room temperature. I put it somewhere out of direct sunlight so it wouldn't get too hot. During this time, the water absorbs all the natural goodness from the ginger and garlic. You might notice the smell gets a little strong, but that's normal. It's actually a sign that it's working. After a day, it was time to strain the mixture. I used a clean cloth to separate the solid pulp from the liquid. I poured it slowly through the cloth into another container and squeezed out as much liquid as I could. That strained liquid is now the main part of my plant spray, and the leftover solids? I just added them to my compost. Nothing goes to waste. Then I added some neem oil. I really like using neem oil because it's a natural way to protect plants from pests. I closed the bottle and shook it well so the neem oil mixed evenly with the liquid. Since oil and water don't stay mixed for long, I make sure to shake the bottle again before every use. When I spray it on my plants, I make sure to do it early in the morning or later in the evening when the sun isn't too strong. Even mist over the leaves and stems is all that's needed. You don't have to soak the plants, just a gentle coating works. I usually spray once or twice a week, especially during times when pests are more active. The ginger and garlic smell is strong, and that's great because it naturally keeps pests like aphids and mites away. The neem oil adds extra protection by interrupting the feeding and breeding cycles of these insects. Together, it's a really simple way to give my plants some natural defense without using chemicals. I've noticed that over time, my plants look healthier and stronger. The soil benefits too, because any leftover nutrients from the spray slowly break down and enrich it. Plus, it feels good knowing I'm not throwing away the pulp from my kitchen. It's all going to a second purpose, helping my garden thrive. Using ginger and garlic leftovers in this way has become a regular part of my routine. It's simple, effective, and makes me feel like I'm getting the most out of what I already have at home. If you're juicing like me and hate wasting anything, this is a really easy way to turn scraps into something your plants will love. This method doesn't just save waste, it actually supports a healthier, more sustainable garden. Every time I shake up the bottle and give my plants a spray, I know I'm giving them a little boost in the most natural way possible.